Hi everyone, we're here on this beautiful day at Leach Camper Sales in Lincoln, and we are outside the 2015 Evo 2160 travel trailer. Here's the outside of the Evo travel trailer. We have electric tongue jack. Looks like some electric stabilizing jacks as well. An awning with some outside speakers. It does have the rain gutters on it as well. Folding assist handle and triple folding stairs. We have the spare tire carrier on the back, as well as the ladder for the roof. This unit has one slide out on the driver's side and an outside shower. Let's take a look at the inside. Here's the view as you walk up the stairs into the Evo travel trailer. Starting with the front, we have the bedroom. It's a nice sized bed with storage on either side and a shelf above. The bedroom is separated by this curtain on the track. We have an RV refrigerator. Three-burner stove with oven. Above that is the range hood and the microwave. Some cabinets are over the sink. I believe it is a double weld sink. Nope, single. And there are some storage spaces underneath. There's some more cupboards by the door, along with the thermostat. And the slide-out controls are also next to the door. Through here we have the bathroom, foot flush toilet, good sized shower with a skylight above, a mirrored medicine cabinet with a sink that has a cabinet underneath. In the slide we have the booth dinette, some nice windows for some natural lighting. And here is where the entertainment center would go. Media player above, and the TV would mount to that wall. If you would like to see this or any of our other travel trailers, we are on the corner of 27th and Cornhusker Highway in Lincoln, Nebraska. All of our inventory is also available to be viewed on our website at leachrv.com.